There's a common misconception about making money online, as everyone believes it's nearly impossible. But what if I told you there are 7 achievable ways to make $10,000 monthly in 2023? Ready to unlock your financial potential? Let's start with dropshipping. People often question its profitability and scalability, but what if I told you that with the right knowledge, dropshipping could be your ticket to a low-risk, high-profit venture? Despite the skepticism, the global dropshipping industry is projected to reach a staggering $1.67 billion by 2031. This number paints a clear picture of the immense potential that lies within this business model. To make it big in dropshipping, your journey begins with selecting a niche that aligns with your passion. This is crucial because it allows you to leverage your existing knowledge in the field. When it comes to choosing products to sell, remember that quality is key. The products you offer directly impact customer satisfaction and, in return, your retention rates. In a world where competition is fierce, setting your products apart is essential. Instead of solely focusing on the products themselves, consider aspects like packaging and marketing to make your offerings irresistible. But what if you're starting on a shoestring budget? Building a social media community might be your golden ticket. It's a cost-effective approach that can help you connect with potential customers without breaking the bank. Which brings us to the next way to make money: high-ticket closing. You can explore the exciting world of high-ticket sales in 2023 for financial growth. Trust me, it's a game changer when it comes to making some serious cash. But what is high-ticket closing, you might ask? Well, it's all about selling premium, top-notch products to a specific, often discerning audience. We're not talking about your everyday buys here. These are the big-ticket items that can include everything from fancy cars to luxury real estate and high-end training courses. Now, what makes high-ticket sales stand out from the crowd? It's the fact that these transactions are not quick decisions. You won't just chat with someone for 5 minutes and boom, they're buying a $1 million mansion. No, it doesn't work that way. These deals involve a longer, more intricate buyer's journey. You'll need to stay in touch with potential buyers, answer their questions, and showcase your expertise to seal the deal. The beauty of high-ticket sales is that the opportunities are virtually endless. Solar companies are on the hunt for sales superstars, agencies are looking for top talent, and even software companies need skilled salespeople to make those big deals happen. Check this. Many of the world's billionaires started their journey in some form of sales. That's right. Selling stuff is a skill that can open doors to unimaginable success. Now, if sales is not your strong suit, online coaching is another option to explore. The global online coaching market is currently on a meteoric rise. In 2023, the estimated global revenue for online coaching services is projected to reach a staggering $4.564 billion. This marks a significant 60% increase from the estimated revenue of $2.849 billion in 2019. These numbers paint a clear picture of the booming online coaching industry, indicating that it's poised for substantial growth in the coming years. When you check the statistics, it becomes obvious that online coaching is a potentially lucrative venture with a promising future. The actual revenue you can expect to generate in this field largely depends on the niche you choose to focus on. Among the most common online coaching roles are business coaches and life coaches, both of which have seen significant demand. For those considering a career as an online business coach in the USA, the national average revenue stands at approximately $75,229 per year. On the other hand, online life coaches command an average yearly income of about $63,089. Generally, online coaches fall within the income range of $50,000 to $100,000 per year, which is quite substantial, especially considering that many online coaches pursue this as a part-time endeavor rather than a full-time occupation. Before venturing into the world of online coaching, there are several pieces of equipment you'll need to have. You'll need a device equipped with a camera, microphone, and stable internet access. This technology is necessary for direct communication with your clients and for creating online courses. You'll also have to build a robust personal brand, often through social media, which is vital to attracting potential clients to your coaching services. Still in the online space, YouTube also seems to have been an income pool in recent times, especially with YouTube AdSense. Ever wondered what other ways YouTubers make money from their videos? Well, it's all thanks to something called YouTube AdSense, and it's a ticket to earning some serious cash. Imagine you have your own YouTube channel, whether it's about your passions, hobbies, or even your business. YouTube AdSense lets you make money by showing ads during your videos. It's not like those video ads you host on your website. This is YouTube's magic sauce for creators. Now, here's the deal. It's not just about having a channel, it's about having a strategy. You see, in today's YouTube world, just vlogging about your daily life won't cut it. You need to dive into the numbers, specifically something called CPM. CPM is how much you get paid for 1,000 views. It varies a lot depending on the industry you're in. Some pay peanuts while others pay gold. But here's where it gets exciting. With the right strategy, engaging content, catchy titles, and eye-grabbing thumbnails, you can rake in cash in the region of $10,000. To enter this world of YouTube AdSense and start rolling in the dough, you need to meet some requirements. You must have an existing YouTube channel in good standing with videos already uploaded. Plus, you'll need at least 1,000 subscribers and a total watch time of 4,000 hours within the last 12 months. Now, let's move on to familiar territory. I'm talking about affiliate marketing, another fantastic way to boost your income. Affiliate marketing is like a digital matchmaking game. You become the bridge between people and the products or services they need. It's beautifully straightforward, involving three main players. First, there's the merchant, which is basically any company with something to sell. They set up an affiliate program, kind of like opening their doors to partners like you. Then there's you, the affiliate. You sign up for their program and receive special links or codes. These are your keys to the treasure chest. And finally, there are your customers, the people in your community. They click on your special links, make a purchase, and guess what? You earn a commission, like a digital high five for bringing in a new customer. Away from affiliate marketing, do you know just how lucrative the world of copywriting can be? Have you ever realized the incredible potential that lies in wielding the power of words to boost businesses and your own income? Unlike high-ticket sales closing, where you're aiming for one big sale, copywriting lets you cast a wide net, reaching a much broader audience with your persuasive writing skills. It's a skill set that's in demand across various industries like e-commerce, software, education, and many others. Now, here's where it gets exciting. Many companies in these industries have invested time and resources into building their customer base and gathering potential leads. These leads are like hidden treasure chests waiting to be unlocked. Often, they just sit there untapped, doing nothing. But here's where you come in. If you can kickstart email marketing campaigns for them or offer your copywriting expertise to enhance their social media presence, you become the key to unlocking this potential. Imagine this. You help them generate an extra $20,000 in revenue from people who already know, like, and trust their brand. And the best part? You can structure a deal where you take a fair 10% of that extra revenue as your well-deserved reward. It's like turning untapped potential into a win-win situation. Your words have the power to breathe life into dormant leads, boost sales, and put some extra cash in your pocket. Finally, how about starting your very own online boutique marketing agency? It's a savvy way to make some substantial income. Let me explain. Now, instead of selling to individual customers, picture yourself in a global playground. You can earn $300, $500, or even $800 every month per client, and that adds up fast. But here's the beauty. You're not limited to just one country. You can work with clients in France, England, the US, and beyond. We're not talking about small businesses. We're talking about the big players, those companies with monthly expenses in the tens or hundreds of thousands of dollars. These businesses are always on the lookout for fresh ways to attract customers, whether it's through catchy social media content, email marketing, or other smart tactics. And that's where you come in. You can offer your marketing services to these businesses for a monthly fee, anywhere from $1,500 to $3,000 and even more depending on the size of the company and your agreement. Here's the catch. You can find super talented folks in different parts of the world who are eager to provide these services for a fraction of what you charge your clients. They might charge you $300, but the client is more than happy to pay $3,000. That's your ticket to profit. We're 3 months till the end of 2023, but that doesn't mean you can't still cash out big time. Take any of this online strategy seriously, and I bet you'll be swimming in cash in no time.